Okay, now we're going to look at the Gable Edge Trim, the second gable treatment. Again, it offers a nice clean, linear look and easy shingle installation. In contrast to the gable channel, I'm just going to leave the factory end on the Gable Edge Trim, just a squared off end. And I'm going to run it about a ½ an inch past the drip edge here. I want to make sure that I'm able to look down and identify the center line and make a mark right at the top corresponding to the point at the center of the ridge and at the center of the two gable sections. I'm then able to mark my center line on the face, and again I can do this on the ground once I have this point. I'm going to run this first piece long, so I'm going to do a diagonal cut there, and then I'm going to leave this about a ½ an inch long, and then along the roof plane here I'm going to angle that up on top. I'm going to leave myself a tab. I'm going to make myself a tab that's going to bend over and be inserted into the gable edge trim coming from the other side. And I want to come about two or 3 inches over the ridge to be able to fold over. And an angle cut back from my center line as well. And should be good to go. I'm going to fold that down. That represents the center line. Okay, now we come to a situation where we're going to have the gable edge trim installed along the gable, but it's going to be short of the length that's needed to reach up to the ridge. Before I put this in place, it's going to be helpful for me to open up this bottom hem with a Stanley knife or a screwdriver. Just again, so I can nest the other piece into it. And likewise, at the very top of the part, I'm going to open this up as well so that I can make a tab to be inserted into that. The gable edge trim then is put in place, and just as with the gable channel, I'm going to put one nail at the very top, maybe a ½ an inch from the leading edge, and I'm going to open up that hem so I can nest the other piece into it. I've got a very short piece here that's going to represent what I need to reach up to the peak. I'm going to angle cut this just about the depth of my snips here, maybe 2 inches will be good. Likewise here at the top, the depth of my snips, I'm going to come back, I'm going to taper this into a tab I'm going to taper it from the side as well. And I'll snip this off a little so that I don't have so much to deal with. This then is going to be able to lap over, and once I get this started, because I've snipped this tab off, now I'm free to concentrate on getting it inserted. Now I'm free to go ahead and mark the point that's going to correspond to the very peak. And again, I'm going to take my sliding T-bevel and I'm going to mark that for a plumb cut. Snip the hem, that's where I'll bend over the ridge. Cut some of this extra material out of my way in order to be able to make the rest of that cut. Okay, and now of course I've got to open this up as I did before and open this bottom hem. Not a whole lot to work with there, but open it up. Now we'll go ahead and see how it fits together. Okay, at this point we have joined the two pieces together, and the plumb line is centered on the gable. I've lapped the top over, and again I'm going to run a bead of sealant under this and then secure it. One nail. And wrap my hems around.
Best Buy Metals is a nationwide distributor of KasselWood Steel Shingles, along with other premium metal shingles manufactured by Isaiah Industries. Specializing in superior customer support and service, Best Buy has a team ready to help you determine the ideal roofing solution for your project. With core values such as committed customer service, expert level knowledge, and creativity, along with over 50 years of combined experience, Best Buy's team is the perfect partner to ensure your project goes smoothly. Contact Best Buy Metals today at 1-800-728-4010 or online at www.bestbuymetals.com.